Ladies and gentlemen, live from KidSuper Studios in Brooklyn, New York, Lovesac presents Get Comfy with KidSuper, starring Colin Delaney.
So, how'd it feel?
Colin, what in the world is going on?
Whoa, are those people, kissing? Yuck!
It's not what it looks like. I swear, it's not that.
They are kissing. There are people kissing in my house.
Correction, kissing in my kissing chair. I just wanted to see what would happen if you combine my design with the unparalleled comfort of Lovesac's PillowSac accent chair. And I think it's worked. Has it worked? I'm a genius. I'm a change maker. I'm a visionary.
But Colin, the kids, you've scarred them for life.
Who gives a f about the kids? Look at the chair.
And we'll be right back with this word from our sponsor.
It's washable, changeable, rearrangeable. Lovesac, a seat with personality, lightens up your living room. Comfy, cozy too. Lovesac, a bedside chair. And for the very first time, KidSuper Studios, high fashion and comfort.